Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2000 Chevrolet 3500 HD. Changing the engine air filter is no problem, as you only have to disengage a few fasteners for access to the filter. These fasteners are easy to disengage. Checking the transmission fluid level is easy to do, as the dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not every model includes this dipstick. The front wiper blade is easy to change on this vehicle. Other models will require the use of tools for changing your blades. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. To remove one of the batteries, you will have to move the air filter housing out of the way first. This cramped workspace can make it hard to change the battery. You will need tools to remove the headlight bulb. The tools necessary may not be readily available for repair. You will have to make a tough reach in the engine bay for access to the power steering fluid reservoir. This will make it hard to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. Overall, the 2000 Chevrolet 3500 HD is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain, with only a few tough repairs that the average vehicle owner will have to navigate.